1.
Create empty package. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste this number.
Find that in the description.
All. Filter. Select model and model LOD. Add to package. Model. Batch export. Add. DST image. Group equals 0. Paste this instance.
Find that in the description.
2.
In a new Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Pick a thing. Select first model LOD. Copy instance. Delete model LOD. Batch import your binary. Select your model. Data. In instance, paste. Save. Reopen.
3.
Export mesh. Add your new thing. Resize. Select original. Delete verts. Select yours. Select original. Join them. In Sims 4 Studio, import mesh. Warehouse. Model. Batch export. Delete your previous one if it's still there. Back on our main package. Model. Delete. Batch import. Select your model. In instance, paste the original game file cruiser instance. DST. Import your texture. Done. When they say customizable, we mean fully.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.